Hello. Is this the cooking program class? My name is Taehwan. I booked it online. Taehwan Kim. Last night. Peter K. Yeah. 네, 저는 오늘 발리니스 비건 푸드 쿠킹 클래스에 갑니다. 20 minutes? Okay. 사람이 아무도 없네. Hello. My name is Taehwan.
Hello, I'm Nyoman. I will explain about our program first. Yeah, we have 3 programs, and for the second and the last, we will explain at the farm later.
Yeah, okay.
And for the marketer, he will walk around at the market.
Yeah.
We will not buy some of the ingredients. We just show you, and then we will buy some of the cake, and we will give you at the farm later.
Okay, thank
Are
you.
you ready to go?
Yeah.
Open every day here. Start around 4 a.m.
Yeah.
That is until 10 a.m.
Okay, I see.
How about the class you take? You take a vegetarian or regular?
I wanna choose vegetarian food.
Or vegetarian. And this one is the yellow.
Yeah.
Here is we call kunyit.
Kunyit.
And also this one is galangal. That is stronger than ginger and also a little bit spicy. And also we combine all together with salad, garlic. We put all or this also all together.
There's some cigarette something.
Yeah.
Drug. Is this
Yeah.
legal?
Illegal here.
Illegal here.
Yeah,
But
but-
why is she selling this?
For cooking.
For cooking.
Yeah.
It's legal.
Yeah, but illegal here. When it is police now,
Oh.
will become to the job.
Oh no way.
That is not marijuana.
Yeah.
It also look like marijuana,
Huh?
but not
I
marijuana.
look-
To make it canang. You know
Yeah.
canang?
Like this?
No, that is they make it.
That one.
Very, that one. Like over there inside the plastic.
코코넛 잎으로 이런 걸 만들고. 저렇게.
That we use for prayer.
Prayer.
Yeah.
For Hindu.
For Hindu people.
Hindu God.
You know already. That chili is the not
Yeah.
spicy.
Not spicy one.
Yeah.
Korea is same. More bigger chili, not spicy.
Not spicy.
Smaller.
Small one is spicy.
the
This
more
one is
the
tempeh
spicy.
and tofu.
Yeah, tofu.
Tempeh.
Tempeh.
Yeah.
How can we cook? Or fry or
Fried or boil it.
boil it?
Yeah, for the soup also. But it's better is to fry
Ah,
because the crunchy very.
okay.
Yeah.
Good morning, selamat pagi.
Yeah.
오케이.
Yeah.
땡큐. 숙스마. 지금 쿠킹 클래스를 하러 정글로 들어가고 있어요. 와.
Okay, come here. You want wall cake?
오. 와. What's this?
That is eggplant.
Eggplant.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning.
오케이. 우와. 진짜 좋다. 완전 This is jungle.
Jungle. Jungle.
오늘 쿠킹 클래스 할 장소. Today is only me?
Yeah.
Oh really? 어제는 사람들이 많았는데 금요일이라 다들 술을 많이 마셨는지 오전 그 요리 체험은 저 혼자예요.
Coffee. Your coffee without sugar. If you like sweet, this is palm sugar.
오케이, 팜슈가. 오케이, 오케이.
Enjoy your coffee.
그냥 아까 로컬 마켓에 산 그 뭐 코코넛 떡 이런 거. 이걸 이제 아침 웰컴 드링크로 이제 주는 거예요. 밥 먹고 요리해라. 농장 체험한다.
It's a mosquito spray. You need some help? Bring your camera.
예.
One, we go here. This vegetable. Yeah. This one is bakchoy. Bakchoy. Yeah. And this you can take one. Take one. But basket.
This one.
Yeah.
Good.
Good. Yeah. Good. You see the leaf? That is many holes in the leaf. The reason is very hard. You can take three, the young one.
Young one. What's the young?
Over there.
Over there. Oh, this one?
No.
Is this one?
Yeah.
Ah, is this young as well?
Yeah.
Okay.
Green bean and also through the long bean. Too long.
Oh, really?
Like
Is
really?
this bean?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's the long bean.
와, 이거 되게 신기해. Yeah.
We need more bold flour. Yeah. It's not it. And this one is Chinese cherry.
Chinese cherry.
You need to take three.
1, 2, 3.
But to protect it's very hard. To protect.
Protect.
Yeah.
아, yeah.
Oh, sorry. It's okay. Got it? Good.
Nãy đã
Oh, fluctuate by different times.
Yeah.
And I need to take three.
레몬그라스.
This lemongrass.
Oh.
And then you take like this one more.
아, okay.
One more like this. That bury the bottom, yeah.
Bury the bottom.
That's okay. Pull your hand.
lấy cho ní
Like this?
Banyak.
rơ được rồi đó.
오, 아보카도다.
But this
Get one more. Get one
already-
more. Get one more.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. Just leave it there.
지금 이렇게 수확을 했어요, 야채를. 여기 농장은 완전히 오게닉 팜이어서 어떤 일체의 그런 그 화학 비료라든가 농약을 사용하지 않고 이렇게 수확을 한다고 합니다. 그래서 뭐 이게 판매용이 아니기 때문에 그냥 뭐 해충이 와도 어떤 예방이나
This
이런 거
one
안
is
하고.
snake fruit plant.
아,
this one.
스네이크 푸드. 아,
This
this
one,
one.
yeah.
아.
This is the plant of the
아,
snake fruit.
예, 오케이. 아, 여기에서 열매가, 스네이크 프루트는 여기 바닥에서 열매가 나는데.
For some flavor,
Yeah.
for the color also. Like
Yeah.
the kick you tried before,
Yeah.
that is we used it.
타로. It's like an umbrella in the animation.
Yeah, traditional
right?
umbrella.
For 1 year. During the COVID-19.
When you have here,
Yeah.
like here you have this salt and pepper,
Yes.
and I think you know already this salt and pepper.
어,
And when you start later, you can start small, around a half or quarter teaspoon.
Yes.
But if you need more, you can always add more. And this the farm sugar. If you want to try, you can try. Fin. And this one is marijuana. Cut already.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
This
Mariana.
kefir lime leaf. And this one is the kefir lime fruit.
아,
Small
yeah.
fruit.
Yeah.
And you have lemongrass. And this
Yes.
one is the regular lime. And this the taste is sour.
It's
and
sour.
more watery.
아.
This is the kefir lime fruit.
Mm.
Like, oh you like this. Wait, good. I'm saying that. I'm
Okay. Let's
can do by one hand.
아, 오케이.
This one.
아, 오케이.
Mat, mat. All of them. Good.
오. 땡큐. 이렇게 끓이고 나면 저기에다가 물을 빼는 거지.
This one we put coconut milk here.
아, 예.
Yes. When it's boiled already, we use the pepper. And And this one is sweet soya sauce. We call ketchup manis.
아, yeah.
Put on medium the heat.
아,
Squeeze and then drop the skin.
and my style.
Yeah, make it good looking. Tempeh, tofu, egg, potato.
Yeah.
And put beside you more oil.
아, okay.
And this tempeh,
Yeah.
you know already.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I saw
Fermented
the
from
template. 이거 템페 부어주는 거 봐봐. 우, 너무 좋다.
stirring.
Yeah.
When it's stronger,
Yeah.
put all of this.
아, 오케이.
어.
오케이.
Drop it.
One. Ah, smells so nice. Yeah.
Now quality control.
Yeah, thank you.
So
진짜 맛있다.
now take your gado-gado,
Yeah.
video together.
가도가도 샐러드랑 스윗 사워 템페. 예, 이렇게 만들었어. 자, 먹어볼까요? 진짜 맛있다. 우리 땅콩 소스로 곁들인 가도가도 샐러드.
And this for the ingredient you have here,
sticky rice.
the
Yeah.
black one.
Black. Yes.
This the taste is still you can try it. And also this type of the rice, this white sticky rice. We not cook this rice. This just soak it with water. And the function to make it balance the texture and also the taste. That the reason we combine.
No problem.
Big. Today is mean big.
big.
And ganap is mean complete.
아.
That there is. But be careful, yeah. Like you make it.
Yeah.
One lemon dash you put here.
Yeah. Okay, very good.
Okay.
이거 약간 그 우리 감자전 할 때 감자 그라인더 하는 거 그거 같은데? 신기하네. 이제 프라이드 된 템페하고 두부.
And the lid and also. Coconut milk, sugar, and lime juice.
오케이.
Because you make it sweet and sour curry.
아, 오케이. 우와.
That is oyster,
오이스터.
not the magic one. Little bit marijuana. Marijuana. And liver and the to when is the liquid, drop it.
오케이. 덤플링을 이제 찜기에 넣고 있습니다. 얘들아 잘 쪄져라. 맛있게. You mean that like this?
Yeah.
Okay. I see.
That flour, yeah. Okay, this already.
Yeah, coconut milk.
When it's boiled, yeah. Okay, now put the lime. Don't put the skin, yeah.
이렇게 둥둥 떠올랐어. 우와. 이렇게. 오. 퀄리티 컨트롤.
Yeah.
맛있네. 튀김은 다 어디 가나 똑같죠? 불이 올라와서 색깔이 변하면 이렇게 한 번씩 뒤집어주고. 아, crispy, yes.
Already.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
We'll remove this. The lid. They're here.
Yeah. Wow, ta-da-da. Thank you so much.
With rice.
Yeah. Good, perfect.
Now your main course with rice.
Yeah.
And
Thank you.
And we'll enjoy your meal.
Yeah. 이렇게 됐어. 아까 만들었던 음식이 이렇게 쪄졌어요. 맛있게 드세요. 맛있다. 너무 배불러서 다 못 먹겠어. 카레는 사실 우리 입맛에는 잘 안 맞는 것 같고, 덤플링은 맛있었고, 튀김도 맛있었고.
Shima.
슉슈마, 스리마카시 슉슈마. Thank you. Thank you. See you around.
Yeah. Okay.
자, 이렇게 저는 오늘 발리니스 비건 푸드 체험하기 클래스, 쿠킹 클래스를 마쳤습니다. 여기 비용은 한 43,000원 정도 한국 돈으로 한 그 정도 되고요. 여기 호텔에서 이렇게 이동하는 것까지 다 픽업도 해주고, 요리 시간은 한 4시간 정도 이렇게 되어 있습니다. 뭐 돈은 그렇게 아깝지 않은 것 같아요. 정찰제여서 뭐 이렇게 가격 딜 할 필요도 없고 좋은 것 같습니다. 그러면 시청해 주셔서 감사하고, 다음에 또 다른 컨텐츠로 찾아뵙겠습니다. 감사합니다. See you. Bye bye. Yeah. 아양. This Korean girl. 안녕.